Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change video resolution on Triller. So let's start. First open the Triller app. Now go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on bottom right corner. Then tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Now under video creation section you will see video resolution and it is set to 720p by default. Now tap on video resolution and you can select between 480p, 720p and lastly 1080p. For content creation on Triller you have to select the best possible resolution, which is 1080p, and from now on whichever video you record on Triller it will be on 1080p. And that's how you can change video resolution on Triller. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.